Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face or how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set a custom watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now I recommend you to download and install the Connect IQ Store application because it makes managing watch faces and apps on our phone, or rather on our watch, quite convenient and easy. And to download this app, you simply need to have internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then you need to open the App Store. Doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android, you will find it on both app stores basically. I'm using Android device, so I'm gonna open the Play Store, but you can open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Connect IQ Store. And the app should be right here on the list and you can tap on it and then tap on install button to install it. I already have it installed, so I can tap on open. And once you open the application, you will see the welcome screen. You need to tap on, I believe, welcome button, then or get started button, one of those. Then you need to agree to permissions. If you see any pop-ups about the permissions, make sure to allow them. And then you will need to check the box, I believe, to confirm that you're above age of 16 and then tap on next to continue. And after you're done with that, you should see the homepage of the app. And here we have different categories of watch faces and stuff like that, but we are not interested in that now. We want to set custom watch face, and to do it you need to tap on face it, and here you have this get started button. Basically you need to install the specific watch face, so tap on get started. It will start installing the face it watch face on your watch, and once it's done you will be able to customize it. As you can see, we have a pop-up that it's been installed, and now we can tap on this big plus button and we have three options: photos, camera and backgrounds, preset backgrounds. Photos allows you to take or rather select the photo from your phone, so it will open the photo app. You can browse through photos, look for something you like, and you can select it as a watch face or as the background of your watch face. Next we have the camera. This option allows you to take a picture and use it as a watch face, and the preset backgrounds, I believe they're like predefined presets by Garmin and you can select them if you like to. First I'm gonna select the photos option, but you can use any of these. It will open the photo app. Like I said, I'm gonna open albums, downloads, and look for something. For example, let's say I want this picture. So I tapped on it to select it, and now we can select the layout of our watch face. You have different styles, as you can see. Find something you want, for example this one, and here we have a preview of our watch face. And what we can do is a couple of things. We can add more widgets. As you can see, we have complications, and we can tap on add, find the widget you want, tap on it and add it, and it will appear right here. And you can also move them on the watch face. You can relocate them. Another thing you can do is to edit how they look like. So let's say you want to edit how your timer looks like, the time. You can tap on it and you can change the colors like this. Let's say I want the minute. You know what? I'm gonna leave the hour white and I'm gonna change minute to something else. For example, maybe green, and the seconds. Can we change the seconds? No, we can't for some reason. That's weird. Okay, so the seconds have to stay white, I guess. Okay, and we can also change the font and I believe layout of the clock. So you can customize it a bit, and once you're done you can tap on done to save the changes. And you can do this for every widget on your watch face. Like I said, you can add the widgets. You can also remove them by tapping on one and tapping on bin icon like that. Okay, so the seconds were basically different, like separate widget. That's why I couldn't edit it when I tapped on clock. But once I tapped on them, I could edit them. So okay, so that's why we couldn't edit the second color. Anyway, I'm gonna add something else. Maybe notifications, and I'm gonna place it like this. Okay, and then tap on save. All right, tap on done right here. And once you're done customizing your preset, or rather your watch face, you can tap on save, name it something, and then tap on save. And we have a preview of our watch face. And if you decide to install it, tap on install button. As you can see, the watch face was applied after a minute or two. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.